The Outlander compact crossover has been Mitsubishi's best-selling model since 2017. So it's no exaggeration to say a ground-up design is a major event. When the 2022 Outlander hits dealer lots this spring, it'll give consumers both a newly compelling crossover choice and a vision of the brand's future. The 2022 Outlander is the first US-bound Mitsubishi model designed entirely within the Nissan-Renault alliance, which Mitsubishi joined in late 2016 when Nissan purchased 34% of the company. After years of criticism for its long product cycles, Nissan stepped into share tech, costs and design resources. For the new 2022 Outlander, Mitsubishi says some of the new tech is shared with the Rogue, and Nissan confirms that the vehicle shares the same platform and some chassis components. The Outlander also comes with the widest ever array of available driver assist features, also used across both brands. On the outside, the Mitsubishi Outlander features a completely new front apron with sleek LED daytime running lights on the sit flush with the bonnet line, a large grille that forms an X shape on the front, chunky chrome ribbons on the side of the grille, black finish mesh, a silver skid plate, clamshell style bonnet. Design and overall boxy design from the side, rounded wheel arches with black plastic claddings, chunky alloy wheels, black finish on the pillars and chrome window lines. The rear of the SUV comes with a sleek wraparound tail lamp, a tailgate integrated spoiler that reverberates with the front. On the inside, the 2022 Outlander comes with a new dashboard with clean lines and soft touch materials all around. The interiors come with black and orange upholstery as well as black with white upholstery. The instrument cluster is a fully digital color unit sitting into the dashboard, and the touchscreen infotainment system screen is a large free-floating unit with feather touch hotkeys and rotary controls. The SUV features a multi-zone automatic climate control system and a chunky gear selector on the central tunnel. Powering the Outlander is a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder petrol unit that makes 181 horsepower of power and 245 Nm of torque. The engine comes with an 8-speed CVT gearbox, and the power can be sent to either the front wheels or all wheels depending on the conditions. The SUV also comes with normal, gravel, mud and snow traction control modes, but like the Mitsubishi Pajero, the Outlander has a more road-biased setup.